Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday the 11th and we are going to be doing the 52-week challenge because it is Tuesday, of course, because I always do these challenges on Tuesday. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification so you will be notified every Tuesday when these videos goes up around 5 p.m. CST. So this week, hopefully we'll get a big number, fingers crossed, because we want to knock out these big numbers because we don't want to be struggling at the end of the year trying to save up for money and for the wedding and all other stuff. But anyway, so we have a lot of stuff that I need to tell y'all, a little bit of an update on wedding and on school and everything. So we're just going to get right into it. So we have 24 people who commented. So there's a lot of new people as well. So I am super excited to welcome them into the family for hashtag Thrifty Tuesday. But let's get right into picking it. So there is a lot of people who guessed it, who guessed big numbers. Now, if you are one of the winners, you will have until Friday at 3 p.m. to claim your prize. And my email is always down below for you to contact me. And half the time the email does go to the junk mail. So just be sure that you comment down below that you sent the email. Now, if in the event that there is two winners, the first person who commented will get the $10 Amazon gift card. So good luck to everybody. So we gotta put that back in there. So let's see. Let's go for a big number. Let's go for this one. And if we have anything less than 10 and below, we will pull again. 46. That is a huge, huge number. So that is super exciting. So let's see if somebody picked number 46. So let's see. Please, please, please. Let's get a winner. Oh no, nobody picked 46. The closest one is Alicia's Corner with 47. So we do not have a winner this week, so sadly the $10 Amazon gift card will not be given away this week, but that's okay, you guys. Just keep on commenting your number, and sooner or later, once we get lower and lower to the numbers, then there is going to literally be a winner every single week. So keep those numbers going, but we are going to be doing a huge number, so that is really good for us to go towards the wedding and towards Christmas and everything. So $46 is how much we are going to be putting in. So we have 20, 40, 5, and 6. 20, 40, 5, and 6. And are we hitting another milestone? I'm not sure. We're going to have to look at that real quick. So let's see. 46. No, we are not. So 524 plus 46 equals to 570, which that's okay, you guys. Hopefully next week we can hit a number in the 30s, and that would be a milestone. So we are okay with that. And look at this cute pen that I got during my final. It's a little syringe. It's like a needle syringe. It has water in it. So that's pretty cool. I think it's really cute. So plan on using this until it runs out. It's really handy and like small and everything. So $570 is how much we are going to be looking for. Now let's get our binder. I am super excited. Now we're just going to put all the money together, and then we will color in and give y'all a little bit of an update on my life, and then we will get right into counting these bills. All right, so we're going to figure out, I alternate between yellow, pink, and purple, so we're going to have to look to see what we are going to be doing. So that is purple and yellow, so we are going to be coloring 46 in yellow. All right, you guys, so a little update, which is two huge updates. So as of last Friday, I passed my first semester of nursing school with a B. So I'm super excited about that. I have prayed and prayed and worked so hard to end the semester with a B, which I'm very surprised that I ended with a B. I'm not going to lie. But I am super excited. So I will be starting second semester, which is on May 26th. And that will go all the way up until August. And it's literally a 10-week semester. So it's going to be jam-packed. And I'm a little scared that I won't have time to like do this stuff. But you know what? We got this. We're going to do it, you guys. And then another huge update is that I do have 2 weeks off from school. So I have been... Wedding planning is like my huge priority. I have booked a lot of stuff, which I'm not going to tell you like the amount that I have spent, because that is going to be in the wedding budget update. That is going to be coming in June. I think we set it for June. But I booked DJ. I have talked to a photographer, waiting on the contract on that. I have booked a makeup and hair. So that's super exciting. And then I contacted a girl that I know to do my dress alterations. So hopefully, I mean, she's going to do a great job. Hopefully it's not expensive. She did say like it's a starting out, which I will tell y'all what the starting is next month. But anyways, so that is a little update, you guys. I am loving life. I have been trying to work, trying to do DoorDash and everything, which this coming up Saturday, I am going to be doing my cash envelope, which I have not done it in forever, but we have a paycheck coming in and we have DoorDash coming in. So super excited about that. All right, so let's go ahead and count the $570 to make sure that this money matches our binder or our Erin Condren planner. So let's go ahead and count. So 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 3, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So $570. And that's just my dog hitting the door. I have no idea why, but it's fine. So $570 is how much we have saved for right now. So that is awesome. Let's subtract how much we have left. So $1,378 is how much we are saving for the 52-week challenge. So let's subtract that from $570. So we have $808 left to save, and that is all going towards wedding. And after the wedding in October, the rest will go either towards debt or towards Christmas. It just depends on how much I save from Ibotta for my Christmas fund. But that is it, you guys. Thank you again for hanging out with me every single Tuesday. Welcome to all of the new subscribers, to my new friends that are joining the family. If you are new, be sure to comment your name that you're new. If you have a channel, let me know. There is two channels that I need to go and watch that have not been on my laptop lately. I've just been on my phone. So I'm going to go and check those channels out. But thank you guys so much. And be sure to comment your number below, because I would really love for you guys to win a chance for the $10 Amazon gift card and spend whatever you want with that. It's not much, but $10 does add up. To me, it does. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.